I was telling him say 3D animation some for a create social media no so no also betim no smartphone e crowd no akwa TV an and then ma be che okwan a we fa so do phone no e be create such videos and so dem ho a free of charge me dey go come so me share Facebook monetization and AI and so e wo twi mu enti bo won say ne no we have video na akwa wiye no how a me show bibia for free on this YouTube channel. In terms of the no video na me be kire wade no me dey can create full video and so dey ato ha ye nyina be kwa video no ye ba na ma kire kwan a before so me create video no and so e dey ma me so yenko video ni emra.
It was just another ordinary day in the village. 18-year-old Kofi went into the bush, hoping to find some ripe mangoes. He had no idea that before he returned home, his life would completely change. As Kofi searched beneath the mango trees, something strange caught his attention. Hidden beneath the leaves was an old black bag. Curious, he opened it, and what he saw inside left him speechless. The bag was filled with money. Kofi looked around the bush. There was nobody there. He didn't know who the money belonged to or how it had gotten there. But instead of leaving it behind, he picked up the bag and hurried home. When Kofi reached home, he couldn't stop thinking about the money. He knew he had found something he wasn't supposed to have. So he took the bag into his room and hid it underneath his bed. Then he went to sleep, believing that his secret was safe. But that night, something strange happened. Kofi found himself in a dark forest. He was running and running with the same bag of money in his hands. Suddenly, he heard something behind him. Kofi turned around, and what he saw terrified him. A strange creature was chasing him through the darkness. Kofi ran as fast as he could, but the creature kept getting closer and closer. Suddenly, Kofi woke up. He was breathing heavily. Sweat covered his face. He looked around his room. Everything was quiet. Everything was normal. Then he remembered the money. Kofi quickly jumped out of bed. He got down on his knees and reached underneath. His heart was beating faster and faster. Then his hand touched something. It was the bag. Kofi pulled the bag out and opened it. The money was still there. He smiled with relief. Maybe it really was just a dream. Maybe there was nothing to be afraid of. But Kofi didn't know one thing. The creature he saw in his dream was not a dream at all. Because while Kofi sat happily counting his money, something was standing behind him.
So welcome back. Video na ko with AI and a create side video. Internet not very simple. But show how I create side video no and so at the man. First thing first, me ba GPT na me catch you say this is my story. Story na person obuild the man no. Na me story no e man me say abranti bia okọ nwo makopa wango ate a okọ sika into on build the story no emfa mame. So ChatGPT e build the story no in scenes and so at the man. So me hear scenes ni me say me ya me CDB. So me say the character sheet emano. Yes, character sheet no e wa ha me fa and show. We a different character sheet. Because a character sheet sheet with the create character. It be a character in the moves a hold or serene bo funeral ho soon full body and side by side body figure ni nyina no. Bet me the account. So the video a keep consistency and so the my video. So where the home screen so now I am na me de me ho character ma this movie no. Me a younger version of myself. And now here me mature ha me side in my front. And about emotions and me excited, confused, and all of you. So this is a character sheet. Every problem in the future videos, make sure how you create this character sheet and so my content be so it be go through smoothly. So I'm in the character sheet in my ChatGPT and I'm saying edit the prompt and use this 3D character sheet for the movie. Into or some another prompt what they way character sheet and a complete prompt. So from then I'm the prompt I call flow. And to see that they be a no me fa prompt back one my animate my image na me da ko video sa na me de flow videos ni nyina enso ewie. So we video ni din a we na say na omo ye voice over bi e wa ase yes your friend commentary enye voice over e commentary me side ma ChatGPT and I'm catching say oma me commentary scripts na me fa enye sa commercial video na say me fa enye sa movie no enso emfa me ho movie na he no obi e no kasa wo ni nyina yɛ commentary na omo run. But me wie no menya prompt na me de call 11 labs. 11 labs. Platform a yɛde create audio ɛma yɛ content. Nti 11 labs ana me de search audio na ɛda video na se a na looking nice and so edema. So this is the method I'm fire. Because see this 3D cartoon characters, and so edema. So try your hands on it. What challenges be as well? Let me know under the comment section. See you in our next video.